Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to terminate your Netflix subscription. To begin the cancellation process, navigate to your profile icon and select the Account option from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the Account page, locate the second section labeled Membership and click on it. At the bottom of this screen, you will find a red button that says Cancel Membership. Go ahead and select that. You will now be presented with 4 distinct choices. The first option allows you to finalize the cancellation if you are certain about leaving. Alternatively, you can choose to pause your subscription for a single month instead of ending it entirely, allowing you to browse without paying. The third option suggests downgrading your plan, such as moving from a full HD standard plan to a more affordable basic HD plan to lower your monthly costs. You can also compare all available plans here. Finally, if you decide to keep your service, the fourth option lets you return to watching. Since I want to keep my account active, I will click Return to Watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.